Bonjour tout le monde! Hello everybody! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Mr. Innes. It is jour number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15! It is jour 15, day 15, and it's lovely to have you here. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also subscribe to my channel below on YouTube. And if you stay till the very end of this video, you'll even get a new blooper reel showing things that went wrong during the recording. Today we are going to be learning all about the different colours that we haven't learned so far. You might remember that we had a video on the colours of the French flag. Can you remember the colours of the French flag? Répétez. Bleu, blanc, rouge. Très bien. We also had a video on the colours of the rainbow. Can you remember the colours of the rainbow in French? Répétez. Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, indigo, violet. I should have bought you flowers and held your hand. So now that we know the colours of the French flag and the rainbow, there are a few more colours that I think we could learn. We're also going to be playing a new little game which is called Sensational Sentences. How many times can you say sensational sentences? Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational sentences. So let's kick things off with our phrase of the day. Today's phrase of the day is the French word for, in English, it is. We've actually looked at this already in the anniversaire, the birthday video. In French, it is, écoutez, c'est. C'est. Répétez. C'est. C'est. And say is going to be a very important little phrase for us in this video. So let's move on to our ooh la la vocab. Ah, ooh la la, ce café est très bien. Today's ooh la la vocab is 5 couleurs, 5 colours that we're yet to learn. And let's kick off with the colour pink. Écoutez 6 fois. Listen 6 times. Rose, 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 rose. Répétez. Rose, 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 rose. Next up, we've got the colour brown. Écoutez 6 fois. Marron, 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 marron. Répétez. Marron, 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 marron. Do you like my new webcam? You can see even more of my bedroom, you nosy wee wings. Next up, we have black. Écoutez 6 fois. Noir, 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 noir. Répétez. Noir, 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 noir. What colour do your favourite football team play in? Mine play in noir and blanc. So I wonder if you can guess which team I support. There is a clue just over there. Next up, we have the colour grey. Écoutez 6 fois. Gris, 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 gris. Répétez. Gris, 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 gris. And last but not least, this is a bit of a favourite colour that often doesn't get taught, and it is the French word for turquoise. Écoutez 6 fois. Azur, 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 azur. Répétez. Azur, 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 azur. So now it is time for which one's missing. Have a very careful look at these 4 couleurs. We have got rose, marron, noir and gris. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said noir. Now look at these 4 couleurs. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said gris. Take a look at these new 4 ones. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said rose. And now we're going to mix it up with some of the colours that we've already learnt and the ones that we've learnt today. I'll help you with the first one. We've got bleu, violet, rose and noir. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said violet. Next one. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said bleu. Last one. Which one's missing? Très bien. If you said rouge. Just folding my socks the Marie Kondo way. Woohoo! So now we're going to do our new activity, which is called Sensational Sentences. You'll probably remember that our phrase of the day was c'est. And c'est means it is. And now that we've learnt all of these colours, I'm going to show you a few different objects, and I want you to try and say it is purple or it is blue in French. So let me help you with the first one. For this, you would say c'est rouge. C'est rouge. Très bien. What about this one? C'est rose. C'est blanc. This one? C'est bleu. C'est violet. Très bien. Next up. C'est gris. This one? C'est vert. C'est noir. And last but not least, c'est orange, c'est jaune, c'est orange. Next up, we have our fun French fact of the day. Did you know that in the very sud, the south of France, there's a pretty luxurious place which has cities like Nice and Cannes and Monaco, and it is called the Côte d'Azur, which literally means the turquoise coast. And the reason it's called the Côte d'Azur, the turquoise coast, is because if you look in the sea, it is turquoise because of the white rocks at the bottom of the sea, which lighten the colour of the water. And last up today, we have our song of the day. Today's song of the day features some of the colours that we have been learning about, and it is called Les couleurs, which means the colours, by Monde des Titounis. You can find it in the YouTube description below. And that is everything for today's Jour number 15 of French with Mr. Innes. It's been so good having you here. I hope you feel like you know all of the different French colours. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you again for the next video. Au revoir! And if you stay till the very end of this video, I can't remember what colours of the rainbow are in English, maybe. And no, colours of the rainbow. Sensational sentences, sensational sentences, sensational. Yeah. No, you start with red. Red, orange, yellow, green. Next up. Richard of York gave battle in vain, which make it look as if. Well, and the reason it's called the. Au revoir!